What if I told you the reason your muscles aren't growing isn't your workout, not even your protein, but your sleep? You train hard, you eat right, but at night your body refuses to recover. You lie in bed, tired, muscles sore, but your mind is still active. So you try random supplements, sleep pills, shortcuts. But here's the truth no one tells you. Some sleep solutions can actually slow down muscle recovery. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 powerful vitamins that help you sleep deeper while repairing your muscles at the same time. Not hype, not trends, just what your body already understands. Number 1. Vitamin D is often overlooked when it comes to sleep and muscle recovery, yet it quietly controls some of the most important processes happening in your body at night. When your levels are low, your body struggles to enter a deep restorative state, which means your muscles don't get the full chance to repair and grow after a workout. One of the key reasons for this is its connection with melatonin, the hormone responsible for signaling your brain that it's time to rest. Without enough vitamin D, melatonin production becomes less efficient, leading to difficulty falling asleep, lighter sleep cycles, and frequent waking during the night. This creates a chain reaction where poor sleep leads to incomplete muscle recovery, leaving you feeling sore, weak, and fatigued even after resting for hours. Vitamin D also plays a direct role in muscle strength and function by supporting calcium absorption and proper muscle contraction, which are essential for performance and repair. When your muscles are trained, tiny fibers break down and need time to rebuild stronger. But this rebuilding process depends heavily on quality sleep and proper nutrient signaling. If vitamin D is lacking, inflammation can stay elevated longer than it should, slowing down recovery and increasing discomfort after exercise. Another important factor is how vitamin D supports your nervous system, helping your body shift from an active, alert state into a calm, relaxed mode that is necessary for deep sleep. This is why people with low levels often feel tired during the day but restless at night, stuck in a cycle where their body cannot fully switch off. Getting enough vitamin D through sunlight, balanced nutrition, or proper supplementation allows your body to naturally regulate its internal clock, improve sleep depth, and create the perfect environment for muscle repair to happen efficiently, helping you wake up feeling stronger, more refreshed, and ready to perform better the next day. Number 2. Vitamin B6 plays a central role in connecting your brain, sleep cycle, and muscle recovery. Yet most people don't realize how much it affects what happens after you go to bed. If you've ever felt physically exhausted but mentally wide awake, unable to switch off, that's often a sign your nervous system is out of balance. Vitamin B6 helps regulate this by supporting the production of serotonin, a chemical that stabilizes mood and promotes relaxation. As the night progresses, serotonin is naturally converted into melatonin, which signals your body to fall asleep and stay asleep. Without enough vitamin B6, this entire process slows down, making it harder to fall into deep, uninterrupted sleep, which is exactly when your muscles do most of their repair work. Beyond sleep, vitamin B6 is directly involved in protein metabolism, meaning it helps your body break down the protein you eat and use it effectively to rebuild damaged muscle fibers after exercise. When you train, your muscles experience small tears that need to be repaired overnight, and without proper nutrient support, that recovery becomes incomplete, leaving you sore, fatigued, and weaker over time. Vitamin B6 also supports the production of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen through your blood to your muscles. Better oxygen delivery means less fatigue during the day and more efficient recovery at night, allowing your body to fully restore itself instead of staying in a stress state. Another important benefit is its effect on the nervous system, where it helps reduce symptoms like restlessness, muscle twitching, or that constant feeling of tension that can interrupt your sleep. When your nerves are calm and balanced, your body can smoothly transition from an active state into a recovery state, allowing deeper sleep cycles to take place. This deeper sleep is where growth hormone is released, further supporting muscle repair and strength building. By ensuring your body has enough vitamin B6, you're not just improving sleep quality, you're creating the exact internal conditions your muscles need to recover faster, grow stronger, and perform better without unnecessary stress or disruption. Number 3. Vitamin E plays a powerful role in protecting your muscles while you sleep, especially after intense workouts that create stress inside your body. When you train hard, your muscles don't just get tired. They experience tiny amounts of damage at the cellular level. This process is normal and necessary for growth, but it also produces harmful molecules known as oxidative stress that can slow down recovery if not controlled. This is where vitamin E becomes essential, acting as a strong antioxidant that helps neutralize these harmful effects and protects your muscle cells from further damage. By reducing this internal stress, your body can shift its focus from defense to repair, allowing your muscles to rebuild more efficiently overnight. Another important benefit of vitamin E is its ability to reduce inflammation, which is one of the main reasons you feel soreness after exercise. While some inflammation is part of the healing process, too much of it can keep your body in a stressed state, making it harder to relax and fall into deep sleep. Vitamin E helps balance this response, calming your system so your body feels safe enough to fully rest. When your body is relaxed, it can enter deeper stages of sleep, where most muscle repair and growth actually take place. It also supports better blood circulation, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients are delivered effectively to your muscles while you sleep, speeding up the recovery process. Improved circulation means your muscles receive everything they need to heal without delay, reducing stiffness and improving overall performance the next day. Vitamin E also plays a role in maintaining healthy cell membranes, which are essential for keeping muscle cells strong and functioning properly under physical stress. Without this protection, muscle cells can become weaker and more prone to damage over time. By including enough vitamin E in your routine, you create an environment where your body can repair itself smoothly without unnecessary strain or interruption. This not only improves recovery, but also enhances the quality of your sleep, allowing you to wake up feeling less sore, more refreshed, and physically ready to perform again with better strength and endurance. Better sleep isn't about forcing your body to rest. It's about supporting it the right way. Vitamin D, B6, and E work together to help your body relax, repair muscle tissue, and recover deeply overnight. When your sleep improves, your muscles grow stronger, faster, and more efficiently without extra stress on your body.